6 years ago, the Smith family wanted to build a beautiful home on Smith Mountain Lake, and everything turned out perfect except the kitchen. Well, that was the puzzle piece that F&S Building Innovations was able to fix. Alicia Smith tells us more in Your Home.
Welcome back to Your Home. I'm Alicia Smith with F&S Building Innovations. Today we are out here at beautiful Smith Mountain Lake once again, and today we want to show you an extremely special kitchen. So when these folks came to us, they had a beautiful kitchen, but it had builder grade cabinets. They were looking for something that had a little something extra, top of the line, luxury kitchen cabinetry. So that's what we provided them. Originally, they just had standard cabinetry. We did stat cabinets. They've got this beautiful lighted display at the top, and every possible extra and accessory that you can get in this kitchen, we've given it to them in these cabinets. Now, one of the things that they did, they actually loved their quartz countertops that they already had. So we didn't replace them. We removed them, we stored them safely, and then reinstalled them on the new cabinets when they came back out. So that's something to consider. If you have something element that you like and you don't want to redo everything, we can work within those guidelines that you've established to help give you exactly what you want, whether it's all new or whether we're working with some existing elements. So when we say that we have all of the accessories that you could possibly want in this kitchen, we weren't kidding. Some of those are this appliance garage. A lot of times it's hard to have a place that houses your things, or things are sitting on the countertops and it becomes in the way. This is a great way to hide those items. You've got a nice spot that you can stick them in there and hide them away when you don't want them and pull them out when you need them. All of the shelves in all of these cabinets were rollout, which can be especially helpful to be able to access items. You're not moving things around. You can easily get to them. Some of the other things in this kitchen, there were cutlery dividers in the drawers. There were specialty pot and pan cabinets. There's a spice rack. There's a tray drawer. It's all here. So one of the beauties of this very large Eden Island is we were able to work in some custom storage. A lot of times you have wasted space in these areas, but we fabricated some custom shelves so that this gentleman has plenty of room for all of his coffee. So one of the perfect finishing touches to this kitchen was this beautiful backsplash. It's an elongated subway tile done in a brick pattern with a glass and stone accent worked in intermediately. Sometimes it's just the little things that make the perfect accent in a project like this. So now that you've heard about all the beautiful things that we've incorporated into this kitchen, let's talk to the owners and let them tell you all how much they love it.
Well, Darcy will tell you why, but all I can tell you is from the time we moved in this house 6 years ago, she was not happy with the cabinets. The rest of the house was fine. The rest of the house was good, but she just did not like the cabinets and wanted something that was more eye-appealing.
Well, the first cabinets were very plain. They weren't of the quality that I was used to and was expecting. So I really wanted to get more cabinets and design the kitchen better. Then when we had the flood here with Smith Mountain Lake, when it flooded a few months ago, our cabinets at the cabana were flooded. So that was the perfect excuse to get a new kitchen. So we took part of the cabinets from the kitchen and put down there, and then went with this. And all I can tell you is that F&S Innovations are the best. And Alicia and her staff are #1 in my book. I cannot give them enough credit for what they've done. They finished the job ahead of time. They called us anytime there was a delay. If it was a half an hour, they called us. So I would recommend F&S and Alicia and the company to anyone.
And I'd agree with 100%. Tearing out the whole kitchen and bringing in new ones, and they did that, I think it was in 2 weeks. They tore out and brought in new ones in 2 weeks here. But it really, really went well. Yeah, so happy.
I love it.
To find out what F&S Building Innovations can do for you, head online to fs4seasons.com, check out their Facebook page, or call 540-985-9160.